Hi there and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to generate quotations for your projects. Let's have a look together. So one way to create a quotation is by going to Administration module and then clicking on Quotes. And this is the list of all the quotations I have already made, and I can see that which ones are accepted, which ones are pending, and so on. To create a new quotation, you need to click on this button over here, New Quotation, and through this, via this page, you're able to create a new quotation. As you can see up here, it says no project selected. So the first thing we need to do is to select the project, and you can do that by clicking on this button, Add, and just search for your project and select it. Let's say I want to make a quotation for this project, then click on Select, and now I have to add my articles just by saying the quantity. Let's say I want 15 of a special solar panel. You can also just search for your articles using the search bar over here, and then I have to also define the tax code, and after that just click on Add Item, and as you can see, this item is added to this quotation. If you want to see your margin on your articles, you just need to toggle this option over here, More Details, and as you can see, this new column is added, Margin, which is the margin on the article, and you also have the total margin on the quotation here as well. So after you've finished adding all the articles to your quotation, just click on Save and then finalize it, and just select the quotation template from the drop-down menu and click on Generate. And as you can see, the quotation is generated and is saved now. Next, I will show you how to send your quotation to your client.